I made this delicious froth to top my espresso with the Maestri House milk frother. I'll show you how. To get the most froth, you pour in the milk between the minimum and the first maximum line. The top max line is the most you can fill for heating. For this first set of clips, I'm testing whole dairy milk. The pitcher goes into the base unit. I put in the whisk mechanism and the cover, then plug it in. The frother turns on. It goes to the last temperature you use, which for me is the highest setting at 160 degrees. It also goes to the last froth setting I use, which for me is the most froth because I like a lot of froth. This is what it looks like when it first starts to spin before you get the serious froth. I'm pouring the espresso. The frother stops automatically when it's done. Now watch this. When I pull out the whisk mechanism, look at all that froth. So when I'm going to pour in the milk, the liquid comes out first. But watch this. Look at all of this froth. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. And I wanted to show you, I have to like scrape it out. There's so much froth. It's just really great. And then I decided to top it with a little bit of cinnamon, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. And here's the finished product of the dairy milk froth. This time I'm trying it with oat milk, and I'm filling it in the pitcher just above the minimum line. Put the pitcher in the base, put in the whisk mechanism and the cover, and then plug it in. The frother turns on. It goes to my last 160 temperature, my highest frothing. I press the button to turn it on and it starts to froth. The frother turns off automatically. Now when I lift the whisk mechanism, you see I don't get nearly as much froth as I do with the whole milk, but look at this anyway. As I pour it into my espresso, I still have to scoop out a lot of foam, and I get all this beautiful foam even with the oat milk. This is the Aldi oat milk, and then I like my little sprinkle of cinnamon, of course. This is still my favorite photo of my frothy espresso at Christmas time from my Instagram post. The frother is linked in the description box below the video. What I really like about this too is that it's detachable. It makes it so easy to clean the pitcher, and you can just wipe off the base with a damp cloth. Check out one of my other videos by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.